rocking my Brazilian curly hair from Klaiyi. They sent it over, I want to say a week ago. I literally made the wig the same day, and I really wanted to wear it. I don't know why, but I've been really wanting some super curly hair, like super big. So like I said, I requested the Brazilian curly hair. I did 4 bundles of 26 and then an 18-inch 13x4 lace frontal. I did try to bleach the frontal. I usually bleach with a BW bleach, and I found that I ran out. So I went ahead and used the blue quick white, I believe it's called, or quick. You guys know the blue bleach. I'll leave it linked down below. But I used that one. I've never used that to bleach, so since it says it works super fast, I was scared to leave it on for a long time, so I rinsed it out super quick, like 10 minutes, and it barely bleached, so I used powder. But yeah, I made this wig with the hot glue gun method. I've been wearing it, and I don't know why, I just wanted to wear it like super big. So basically I've been just slicking it down in the front and then put a scarf to make it super flat and fitted, because the hair is so big. I've been just letting it be super fitted, and then I've been rocking with the baby hair, and then letting the ends just be super coarse and like basically no product. But today I put it on and I didn't do my little routine. I didn't put the baby hair, I didn't put the hair scarf, I didn't even put any powder in the parting. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to like detangle and style your naturally curly hair. As you can see, it's not that it's dry, it's that there's no product in it. It hasn't been detangled. I wear it in the shower, I wear it to bed. So usually what I'll do is I'll just clip it up like such. I'll use one of these clips, which I just bought a new pack, and then I'll just put a bonnet on top of that and go to bed. I don't really like care for it. So now that I've worn it how I've been wanting to wear it, I kind of want to wear it big and pretty, but I want to define the curls. So I'm going to show you how I define my curls using natural hair. So I have literally the world's best spray bottle here, and I just added just some regular water. And I'm going to show you one time. Hit it one time. You can't beat that with a bat, baby. So I have this link down below. I have everything linked down below. I have a towel because I want to catch the excess water. Then I have various products here, so I'll just go through what I use as I do it. So some people use the Loc Method, which is an acronym for leave-in, aka leave-in conditioner, oil, and then a, what is C? Conditioner? Yeah, so leave-in oil conditioner. I've done this method many times with my natural hair, but I'm going to try that today with this hair and see how it works. So I just got back from Target and I picked up some more of these hair clips because these are my favorite, the crocodile clips. So I'm going to just section it into 4 like I would with my natural hair. And as you can see, the hair is not tangled. It looks coarse at the ends simply because I have not done anything to it. So this is what the hair looks like with just a little bit of water. It's not drenched. I just wanted to start off by saturating it with a little bit of water. Now I'm going to take my conditioner. I'm going to use this conditioner as a leave-in. This hair isn't necessarily dry, but because I used 4 full bundles and it's super long, it's going to take a little bit more product to get it where I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as my leave-in, which is probably what I would do with my natural hair anyway. Rinse out conditioners also make great leave-in conditioners depending. So now I'm going to go ahead and detangle. I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb. Combing the hair out is the best. And this is what the hair looks like. When you detangle, it makes it so beautiful. Sometimes we get lazy and we're like, oh, I don't want to detangle. Detangle will cancel out knots, get rid of excess shedding, and it also defines the hair like no other. A Denman brush works awesome for that. So next, I'm going to use an oil. I'm not going to use a natural oil. I'm going to use like a store-bought oil. So lately, I've been using the Paul Mitchell skinny serum as well as the what is this, BioSilk Silk Therapy. Which one do I want? I've been liking this one a little bit more, so I'll probably purchase the full bottle, or probably definitely will purchase the full bottle of this once I'm out. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the hair, and this gives the hair a really nice slip. Makes it feel super duper soft, super soft. And then as my conditioner, I'm going to use the Sebastian Wet. I don't know if I should have done it the other way around and used the Nexus Hermetrics. So make sure you give the ends some extra love. And I'm going to take this brush and define the curls. Usually a dimming brush or something like that will help to define curls in your natural texture hair really well. So it almost like straightens it and clumps it like you would for really curly hair, and that looks super gorgeous. Beautiful, right? So that made the hair super gorgeous. It added amazing slip. So we're going to go ahead and speed it up and do this all the way around. Looks like now. Before I started to do the Loc Method on the rest of the hair, I felt like it looked dry, but when I compare this side to this side, you can still see how beautiful the hair is with pretty much no product or nothing like that. You will have to detangle anytime you have deep wavy, curly, you know, anything beyond body wave is gonna need a wide tooth comb to detangle, just like you would with your natural hair. No matter how good the hair is, if you're wearing it out big and puffy, especially with no product, you're gonna have to detangle. But this is a lot of what came out. You're not getting like big nasty clumps of hair. You're getting, you know, what you should get. You're getting pretty much what you should get with rocking 4 bundles of 24 inches and not detangling every day, because I have it detangled. This is literally my first time detangling it since I've been rocking it. So just wanted to say that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish styling it, and then I'll be back with my thoughts on this. Gorgeous hair. I feel like a Barbie doll. Like, yeah, strong shade, strong shade, strong shade, strong shade. I even like it with these clips. Like, I do have some, and sometimes it's good to do like this and let it dry with the hairspray, simply because like I don't want it in my face per se. Like, I want to actually show the baby hair, so you kind of want to let it form, or mold the hair exactly how you want it to be. I feel like the baby hair is a little bit more natural than what you guys are used to seeing from me. I've been doing it a lot thinner lately, just because I know that before I was doing it pretty thick. And I'm just gonna take these off and kind of brush it to the side, but I don't want it to be like, usually when I'm baby hair I have it kind of swoop over. I kind of want it to stay behind. So that's pretty much it. I absolutely love this hair. I've been enjoying this hair. Again, it is super big, but don't kill my vibe because I absolutely love it. And the great thing about it is, like before, I kind of made it, the wig itself, a little bit different than I've been doing. I've been trying new techniques to make my wigs per se. So any technique I see somebody else do, I'll try just to play devil's advocate and see if I still like my techniques more, and I do. So with this one, I kind of felt like I made the wig a little bit too big, but how I was able to salvage it was I was able to pull. Since I did use the high glue gun method and these tracks are glued to a cap, I was able to literally rip 2 tracks from the back and like tuck the cap, so it was like big and kind of a little bit bulky right here, but I was literally able to take that cap and pull those off, and then I just tucked the cap under my elastic band. I hope that makes sense. So that's what I did. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos of me slaying this beauty here because I am absolutely in love. This is like stage hair because it is so big. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Link to this hair is in the description bar. Thank you, Klaiyi, for this gorgeous, super pretty curly hair. Hope that you guys check it out. Make sure you're subscribed, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? And the way to ensure that you'll never miss a video is to hit that bell button so that your notifications are turned on. So the moment I upload a new video, it goes straight to your phone or your mobile device or whatever you use and lets you know Ashley Bedeck has put out some new heat. Make sure that you guys share this video. Keep sharing my videos. I have that $500 giveaway going on right now, so keep sharing. Keep letting me know you guys are sharing. Check out my Instagram. You know, just check me out everywhere. I'm Ashley Bedeck everywhere. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.